Oh, so let's make this the best holiday selling season. It's all up to you. Have a positive attitude. And remember, you're going to get some no's before you get yeses. It's not personal. But when you make that call to book a party, don't say, oh, is this a good time for you? No, we don't want somebody saying no. So just kind of jump into it. And you can either say, I'm telling you what I say. I get on the phone. If it's a lead I had, I say, hi, this is Linda the Bag Lady. You remember 31 bags? I said, you mentioned that you would like to have a party, so I'm booking my parties now for November and October, or December. I usually only give them 2 months. And I said, what month do you think you would like to have it, and what day of the week? That kind of catches them off guard, and they're going, okay. So try that, and watch, go on TOT and watch the videos. There's lots of talks, lots of videos on booking, on recruiting, and of course, you've got to listen to all of these talks. What is it called?
Dream big.
The big, Dream Big. Listen to those Dream Big, and remember Tammy's got an incentive going on, so you can win a prize. So Tammy, that's for her entire group, including us. So remember her incentive, remember my incentive. I want to give lots of bags away, and I want you to make a lot of money. So,
Thank you.
thanks. Bye.